The expansion of the air purifier market brings us a host of new products from relatively new brands. This video review will test the FIWOTTTDA Air Purifier, which has only recently become available for purchase. In this video, find out how good the FIWOTTTDA does in our tests, what options it offers, and whether it's worth purifying your air. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. As soon as you unpack your FIWOTTTDA Air Purifier, it will be apparent that you need to make specific preparations before you start it up. To begin with, you need to open the cover at the bottom of the device, which is attached to the filter. Then unpack and return the filter back into the air purifier. Next, connect the power cord, place the air purifier in the desired location, and switch it on. The FIWOTTTDA is an air purifier characterized by its tower shape. The device is white except for the air outlet, which is gray, and the control panel on top of the device, which is black. Although this is not decisive for choosing an air purifier, in most cases, it should be pointed out that the quality of the plastic and the quality of the build are not at an enviable level. In addition, the device is very light, although it looks bulky. So we'll ignore the lack of carrying handles. Overall, the FIWOTTTDA is an aesthetically pleasing air purifier, and it can fit into almost any environment. More information about the device can be found at airpurifierfirst.com. The FIWOTTTDA is a tower air purifier in which the filter is located in the lower half of the device. Air vents are located at the front and rear of the device, so this air purifier draws in air, which is then filtered and exits through the grills at the top of the device. A display with indicators and control buttons is located on the top of the device. The buttons are very well arranged, which makes the device easier to operate, but the problem is that they are sometimes too sensitive when responding to touch. The buttons on the device are the power button, which is used to turn it on or off. To change the engine speed, use the fan speed button. And the last button is the timer, which can be set between 1 to 24 hours. In addition to the buttons, there are many indicators, among which we would highlight the PM2.5 indicator, the sleep mode icon, the auto mode icon, and the current fan speed indicator. FIWOTTTDA uses an air quality sensor that detects particles in real time. The current air quality is displayed in a different color. The PM2.5 concentration can be read on display on the control panel. The air quality sensor is also linked with the auto mode option. When the device switches to auto mode, it automatically changes speed according to the current air quality. If the air quality is really polluted, the auto mode switches to speed 5 and purifies the air in the room as soon as possible. To find out how the automatic mode works with other speeds and other smart sensor features, visit airpurifierfirst.com. The FIWOTTTDA uses a 5-stage filtration process consisting of 4 layers of H13 cartridge and UVC light. The filter is located on the lower half of the device and is cylindrical in shape. The pre-filter is the first stage of filtration. The second filtration stage is an H13 HEPA filter. The third filtration stage is an activated carbon filter. The fourth stage of filtration is a high-efficiency silver ion filter. The UVC light is the last stage of filtration. It's located inside the device and is very well positioned. The UVC light in the FIWOTTTDA Air Purifier operates in the range between 260 to 275 nanometers. which is classified as ultraviolet light and is ozone safe. Like most air purifiers on the market, the FIWOTTTA requires frequent filter changes. Fortunately, the filter reset indicator lets you know when to change the filter, which takes an average of about 6 months. The filter replacement process is straightforward. After turning the air purifier upside down, unscrew the cover attached to the filter located at the bottom of the unit and remove the old filter. It would also be a good idea to vacuum the inside of the device. Next, unpack the new filter and install it in the appliance. Finally, reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger on the fan speed button for 10 seconds. The FIWOTTTA uses an incredible 5 speeds to start the motor and an additional speed for sleep mode. In sleep mode, the noise level is almost whisper quiet, so the FIWOTTTA fits perfectly in your bedroom. In sleep mode, the FIWOTTTA emits a sound of only 40.9 dBA. It produces 41.9 dBA in first speed, 45.8 dBA in second speed, 59.6 dBA in third speed, 66.2 dBA in fourth speed, and 70.9 dBA in fifth speed. In general, the FIWOTTTA is too loud at top speed, and many will find this noise disturbing. However, it should be kept in mind that at full speed, the efficiency and performance of the device are at their highest level. The FIWOTTTA is a medium-sized air purifier, but with an engine power of only 42 watts. It's simply amazing that a device with this much power has so much CADR and is not using too much electricity. Suppose you leave it at maximum speed 24 hours a day for 1 month. In that case, the FIWOTTTA will cost you only $3.95 in electricity, which you'll agree is very affordable. A slightly higher cost is the price of replacement filters, which will need to be replaced as often as twice a year. Overall, the FIWOTTTA is not a significant expense annually and is an affordable air purifier. Although this device could clean air in a room of a maximum of 1,540 square feet once per hour, based on our tests, we strongly recommend using it in rooms up to 385 square feet. In the first test, in a 320 square foot room, the FIWOTTTA improved the room's air quality by approximately 94% in just 60 minutes. In the second test, in a 560 square foot room, this device improved the room's air quality by around 85% in about 60 minutes. The FIWOTTTA worked at maximum speed the entire time. Although the test results were okay, we are somewhat disappointed with the FIWOTTA's gas and smoke filtering capabilities. We placed the FIWOTTTA air purifier in a glass box, which was then filled with smoke. Check out how long it takes FIWOTTTA to remove all the smoke from the box. The FIWOTTTA is a new model on the market, yet we can say that it has somewhat lived up to our expectations. If you don't have problems with above-average noise levels at top speed and don't primarily need an air purifier for odor removal, then the FIWOTTTA is an excellent choice. In addition, the FIWOTTTA is an affordable device that has performed well in tests and is also equipped with a bunch of advanced options. See the detailed review on airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.